In my experience as a young woman growing up, self-esteem for me played a big role in who the woman I am today. I was and still continue to struggle with self-esteem, but I try not to let it show for my children's sake, especially my daughter, who is very emotional herself. I am glad my daughter is a lot stronger than I was at her age. She's on the right track and becoming more confident in everything she does. As a child growing up, I was extremely shy. It was any wonder I had any friends at all. The way I was taught to get through my shyness was a lot of yelling and negativity. I think that's why I still struggle. Today, sometimes it's hard for me to accept compliments when they are given to me. This is the reason I wanted to do a piece on self-esteem, so I could help myself as well as my daughter and other young people with this issue, to let them know that it affects people of all ages and races, and nobody should ever feel that nobody cares. When you don't feel good about yourself, it can affect other people around you, just like when you're happy. Everybody feels that happiness. My message to everybody would be to think about yourself first and what you need to do to make yourself happy and confident, so that other people cannot find any excuses to put you down.